Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the Converse shoes that my son copped it. So I'm not sure which one it is or what colorway it is. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what the shoes look like. Oh, maybe I got mixed up. This one is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG and then Gray School. So this one was purchased through Undefeated. This is the item number right here. And then Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. That's the colorway, style number. And this one is size 6. Retail price on this is $130. $11.38 for the tax, and then $10 for the shipping fee. So the total damage is $151.38. So let's go ahead and give you guys 360 view of the box. Got the Nike with the swoosh in red with the two of those register logo. And here's the same logo with the two of the register. And it says 1985 Jordan 1. And this one says made in China. Got the black box logo sticker right there. And you got the red Nike swoosh. And then the word swoosh right here. Here's the size label. You got the color opening right here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. This is your barcode right here on the left hand side, or the UPC code. And this one's the style number 575441201. And made in China. And you got the MSRP US dollar $130. So let's go ahead and take out these shoes. So you got the swoosh word and then the swoosh logo. There's a red stamp, a bunch of number right here. And then the dimension for the box lid. Go ahead and check out the shoes. So you got the suede right here. Brown, and then brown with the glossy black Air Jordan Wing logo right here. You got the silver color of the Nike swoosh. And then you got this black panel right here on the side. Got the navy color with the light green or neon green. You got the extra neon pink lace. And on top of the toe box, it is teal. You got this like a bright orange color on the tongue with the mix of the pink Nike Swoosh Air patch logo on top. And this tongue looks like it's unfinished, almost like the off-white. And then you got another teal right here on the back of the heel cup. Let's go ahead and take this out. And somehow they didn't tie the lace for this one, the gray school. And then for the gray school, it doesn't say sock liner. What? Oh, it comes with the gold Jumpman sticker. Nice. I'm not sure it is. The other pair, we didn't get it, so wonder why. And then inside there, you got the Nike logo and then Air in a pink color. And you got the boys size 6Y sticker right there. Let's go ahead and check out this size label. And then right here is pink. Made in China. Go ahead and check out the other side. So you got exactly the same thing. Oh, I didn't even know the inside is like a neon brighter green. This is like a light green right here. And again, you got the Nike Swoosh Air with that boys size 6Y sticker on there. It's weird because this one they tied the knot, and the other one it didn't tie the knot. So I'm not sure somebody untied it or what. They forgot. All right, and there's like a green sticker right there. It says opposite reverse MDY. And there's a dimension right there for the box. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.